Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about finding lean conditions on this Jeep Liberty. This is a 2007 model. Lean condition, if you have a code P0171, it's a tough code to tackle. Okay, it could be a lot of things. Lean condition meaning too much air, less of a fuel. Okay, lean conditions can be caused by like such as a dirty sensor or lack of getting fuel into the system. Okay, so you want to check a few things. You want to check for vacuum leaks. So this car does not have like a mass airflow sensor, but it does have a map sensor. All right, so map sensor is located right down there. Sometimes that sensor will get dirty, so it's all up to you if you want to replace it. It's you can fish it out from right here. It's a number 7 or 8 on the side, and but a lot of times the hole inside the thing gets clogged up, so it's not gonna give a good reading. But those work pretty good. Other than that, if you have vacuum leaks, check your pipes and hoses. You could have restricted fuel injectors, fuel rail pressure loss. So a lot of the fuel rails do have pressure regulators. Might want to check that, look into that. It could be as simple as your fuel filter clogged up or fuel pump not building enough pressure. So there's a lot of things. Another thing that could be your oxygen sensor. Let's say you get a bank 1 or bank 2. So the car does have bank 1 or bank 2, like if it's a V-shaped engine. So just check a few things out. Your oxygen sensor could be dirty, or just replace it. It's all up to you. But I'm not gonna go into too many details, because this car I checked out a few things. I didn't find any vacuum leaks or anything, but a lot of times these pipes, they break up, like these pipes right here. So check your PCV valve, and there should be one on each side. But just check things out. There should be no leakage. Okay, but anyways, thank you, and subscribe, share, and like.